how to create a Charles Schwab account, sign up, and account registration. If you want to create a Charles Schwab account, what you want to do is open up your browser and go to schwab.com. This is the interface you will see. From the very top right hand side, click on the option called Open an Account. There are different types of account like individual brokerage account, joint brokerage account, Roth IRA account, traditional IRA account, or rollover IRA account. Depending upon whichever you choose, you'll have different type of requirements to fill up. So in this case, I've chose individual brokerage account. Here you will see all the benefits of opening a brokerage account, the cost, and what are the things that you will need. So some things like a social security number, employer's name and mailing address if applicable, and your email address and phone number. Once you have that, you can just click on the Get Started button. Now here you will be given a form which you have to fill in according to your legal details like your first name, last name, suffix, your addresses, date of birth. The reason I say it must match your legal details is because later on you have to submit your document for verification, and the information you enter here must match or coincide with the ones on your document. And once you have that, you can finally click on the Continue button, and finally at the last you can agree to the terms and conditions, and your Schwab account will be successfully created. This way you can create a Charles Schwab account. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.